footstool. Now, what would you call this? I'm calling it the white glide. Alright, this is in the rough. In the rough. Alright, this would be project number 3. Now, it sits pretty comfortable, you know. And I can make a little stance for this stump right here for it to sit on, so it doesn't roll. And then I have another one right there. But so this is my number 3 project, custom stump chair. And if you make one, just give my channel a shout out. Put my channel name in the description. I would really appreciate that. You know, this is one of a kind original, and you've seen it here, and I'm sharing this with you and the world. So all I'm asking is just mention my channel verbally, put my link in your description. Alright. Gotta flush it all out. Okay. You could use air, but this also cleans out the dust. And you let it sit for a few days to get dry. Alright. Okay, rock for a footstool. Alright. Now, is this next custom stump chair, is this a Lamborghini? Is it the 57 Chevy? What would you call it? Alright, now I'm going to take out this section right in here. Alright, so I want to get rid of this so you can sit in this comfortable seat right here. Alright, so this is my next project. Alright, and so if you make one of these chairs, again, you know, just shout me out, put my name, put my channel in your description. Alright. Stump table. That makes this cool stump table right there. Look at this. Put some glass over the top of this. That'd be cool or what? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, this is my footstool that I just washed off. This is the front side. I'm sorry, yeah, that's the front side. Alright, and this is the back side. Your feet go here. Alright. Pretty cool beans. Cool, cool. You know what I mean? Bam. Alright. So, these are my next projects. I've showed you step-by-step detail on this first custom stump chair, which I'm calling the tank. And the next one I'll be doing, I'll let you name it. Now, is it the Lamborghini, Ferrari, 57 Chevy? What would you call it? Alright, I'll let you decide. Like, first comment, first subscribe. Comment, wait over 60 seconds. 1 minute, 3 seconds, 1 minute, 5 seconds, 10, 20 seconds. Anyways, after 1 minute, hit the like button. Thumbs up. Comment. I don't care if you leave me a long, lengthy comment, several comments, I don't care. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. So, I look forward to hear from you. So keep up the good work. United we stand, united we make it happen here on YouTube. And as I always say, never give up. Because there's always a way, always. My dad used to say, and your grandfather may have said, where there's a will, there's a way. I turned it into, where there's a will, there's a better way. And then I changed it to, there's always a way. So that's the progression of that. Catch you on the next one. Boom.